I built a YouTube channel that made $5,000 last month and I never showed my face.
Not once.
No camera, no lighting setup, no editing for 3 hours. And here's the crazy part, one person can now run 5 of these channels simultaneously.
Here's exactly how the automation blueprint works in 2026. Faceless YouTube channels have exploded this year. Not the spammy ones pumping out AI slop, the legit, high-quality channels that viewers can't even tell are AI-powered. We're talking channels hitting 100,000 subscribers in under 6 months, generating 4 to 5 figures monthly, all while the creator spends maybe 3 hours per week. The tools have matured that much. Runway Gen-4 generates Hollywood-grade B-roll from text prompts. ElevenLabs voices are indistinguishable from human narration. And AI scriptwriting has reached a point where it can structure viral hooks better than most human creators. Today I'm giving you the complete 2026 blueprint: niche selection, scripting, voiceover, video generation, and publishing. Every tool I mention is linked in the description. Let's build your faceless empire.
Most people fail at faceless channels because they pick the wrong niche.
You cannot succeed in vlogging, reaction content, or anything requiring a real face. But AI absolutely crushes in 5 categories.
Number 1, documentary and explainer content: history, science, true crime, technology.
Number 2,
top 10 and listicle channels: movie rankings, product comparisons, fascinating facts. Number 3, motivational and self-improvement: stoic philosophy, productivity systems, wealth mindset. Number 4, scary and mysterious unsolved mysteries, horror narrations, conspiracy deep dives. Number 5, finance and business case studies, company breakdowns, investing strategies, entrepreneur stories.
Here's the secret: use ChatGPT or Claude to analyze YouTube trends in your chosen niche. Ask it this exact prompt: analyze the top 20 faceless channels in the explainer niche. What topics get the most views?
What thumbnail styles work? What's the average video length of top performers? This one prompt will save you months of trial and error. Pick your niche based on data, not feelings. And remember, the best niches have high CPM and low competition.
Finance channels earn 5 to 10 times more per thousand views than gaming channels. Choose wisely. Your script is everything.
A bad voiceover with a great script still gets views.
A perfect voiceover with a boring script gets nothing. Here's the 2026 AI scripting workflow.
Step 1, feed Claude or ChatGPT a competitor's transcript and ask for a pattern analysis. What hook structure do they use?
How long are their segments?
Where do they place the subscribe call to action? Step 2, generate your own script with this prompt. Write a YouTube script about blank.
Follow the retention curve pattern. Open with a bold, controversial statement within the first 5 seconds. 4 main segments of roughly 90 seconds each. Pattern interrupt every 12 seconds. Subscribe CTA at 30 seconds, mid-video, and in the outro. End with a teaser for the next video. Step 3, humanize the output. AI scripts are too clean, too formal. Add contractions, sentence fragments, rhetorical questions. Read it out loud. If it sounds like you're reading a textbook, throw it out and rewrite.
The best faceless channels sound like a smart friend explaining something over coffee.
Not like a robot reading a Wikipedia article.
This distinction alone separates channels with 10,000 views from channels with 1 million views.
Voiceover technology in 2026 is terrifyingly good. ElevenLabs now offers voices with natural breathing, micropauses, and emotional inflection. The realistic voices are indistinguishable from human narrators in blind tests. Here's your voiceover stack. Primary option: ElevenLabs with a custom cloned voice.
Record yourself reading for 2 minutes, train a voice clone, and you get your exact voice with 0 recording sessions ever.
Again. Cost: about $22 per month for the creator plan.
Secondary option: their library voices like Adam or Anthony for a smooth, authoritative tone. Budget option: HTTS, completely free, voices like Guineural sound surprisingly natural for basic narration.
The pro move: run your script through ElevenLabs with stability set to 35% and clarity plus similarity set to 85%. This gives natural variation without sounding robotic. Add pauses by inserting ellipses in your script text. 3 dots equals roughly half a second. 6 dots equals a full second. For maximum engagement, match the voice to your niche. Documentary channels need a deep, authoritative voice. Top 10 channels can use a more energetic, upbeat tone. The voice is your channel's personality. Choose it carefully. This is where most creators get stuck. How do you create visuals for a faceless channel? In 2026, you have 3 paths, and I'll tell you which one to use. Path 1: AI video generation. Runway Gen-4 is the current king. You type a text prompt and it generates 4 seconds of cinematic B-roll, sci-fi cityscapes, historical scenes, abstract visuals, product renders. It's not perfect for every niche, but for explainer, documentary, and motivational content, it's a game changer. Cost: about $15 per month for the unlimited plan. Path 2: stock footage plus motion graphics. Services like Storyblocks and ArtGrid give you unlimited downloads of professional stock clips. Combine these with AI-generated motion graphics from tools like Canva or Descript, and you can build an entire video without a single piece of original footage. Path 3: screen recordings and data visualizations. If you're in the tech or finance niche, screen recordings of tools, charts, and dashboards are more engaging than any stock clip. Use OBS Studio, completely free, to capture high-quality screen footage. Here's the workflow: generate your clips based on the script, drop them into CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, both have free versions, and time the visuals to your voiceover. Pro tip: change visuals every 8 to 12 seconds. The human brain stops paying attention after 12 seconds of the same image. Cut, zoom, transition, repeat. That's the pattern interrupt formula that keeps retention above 70%. You have a video. Now the algorithm needs to find it. YouTube in 2026 uses satisfaction-based ranking, not just watch time. Here's what matters. First, the thumbnail. This is not optional. Use Canva or Photoshop. Dark backgrounds with one bright accent color. 3 to 4 words maximum in bold capital letters. A face showing an emotional reaction dramatically increases click-through rate, but since this is faceless, use bold text, arrows, circles, and high contrast elements. Second, the title. Front-load your primary keyword. Use power words: secret, hack, exposed, finally, the truth about, they don't want you to know. Keep it under 60 characters for mobile. Third, the description. The first 2 lines are everything because that's all people see before clicking show more. Put your best keywords there. Include timestamps for each segment. Add 3 ranked hashtags. Include a question that encourages comments. Fourth, tags. Use 20 tags mixing broad terms like AI automation and YouTube growth with long-tail keywords like how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI step-by-step 2026. Fifth, and this is the one nobody talks about. The first hour after publishing is critical. YouTube tests your video with a small audience. If they click and watch, the algorithm pushes it wider. If they scroll past, the video dies. Share your video immediately to any existing audience, Discord servers, Reddit communities, Twitter, email lists. Give it the initial momentum it needs. Do these 5 things consistently, and within 60 to 90 days, you will have a monetized channel. So here's the complete blueprint. Pick a high CPM niche using AI trend analysis. Write retention-optimized scripts with Claude. Generate natural-sounding voiceover with ElevenLabs. Create video footage with Runway Gen-4 and stock clips. Publish with SEO-optimized titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. And here's the question I want you to answer in the comments: which niche would you build your first faceless channel in? Drop it below. I read every comment in the first 24 hours, and I'll reply to the best ones with personalized tips. If you want me to actually build a faceless channel from scratch and document the entire process, from 0 subscribers to monetization, hit that subscribe button.
Tomorrow we're covering AI agents that are about to replace your apps. Apps on your phone, apps on your computer, all of it. You do not want to miss this one. Subscribe now.